direction, as everyone hopes that these individuals will make a change in the future. All peace and war we used to see each day in our society, but not all people around us are aware that there is a certain group or institution, I should say, that will always make a difference. Being popular, being big in the eyes of the people, does not mean an assurance that these institutions hold supermodels for the future. But there are institutions, even if they are just too small, but not bad enough to compete and excel among all others. And I am proud to be part of it. And we are part of it, we Aeneans. All of us Aeneans are unique as compared to others because we have the so-called Aeneanism, which makes us different from others. Aeneanism is a characteristic which creates a strong and aggressive personality that will always introduce a different kind of workmanship towards achieving the goal. Aeneanism creates ideas with no limits and will always ensure that these ideas will gain merit in the eyes of society. We all know that most of the people nowadays are so confused in choosing for a good leader. This is so because most of the personalities that appear in the line of politics today came from the traditional politicians and elite groups. It's hard for us to determine who is who and who is sincere enough and have the capabilities to build a better nation. Well, my dear friends, like in the teledramas that we watch on television today, if they have superheroes to save the world, well, in real life, we have the Aeneans to save our future. So, from now on, we should be proud to be Aeneans. As being Aeneans, we have in our hearts the pure and real instinct of Aeneanism. Let's start today to save the future and make a big difference in the eyes of the people. Thank you and may God